5 essential ways to use the phrasal verb take off in everyday English. Hello. Today we will explore 5 different ways to use the phrasal verb take off. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and one or more particles, such as prepositions or adverbs, that together take on a different meaning than the verb alone. Take off is a versatile expression with several meanings, and understanding these will help you use it confidently in various contexts. Let's dive in. 1. Take off, meaning to remove something you are wearing. Example, she took off her coat when she entered the warm room. 2. Take off, meaning to become successful or popular quickly. Example, his business really took off after the marketing campaign. 3. Take off, meaning to leave the ground and begin to fly, for an aircraft. Example, the plane will take off in a few minutes. 4. Take off, meaning to take a break or vacation from work or responsibilities. Example, she decided to take a few days off to relax at the beach. 5. Take off, meaning to leave or depart suddenly. Example, they took off without saying goodbye. In conclusion, mastering phrasal verbs like take off can significantly improve your English communication skills. By understanding the various meanings and contexts, you'll feel more confident using them in everyday conversations. Keep practicing and remember, every step you take brings you closer to becoming fluent in English. Keep up the great work. Thank you.